Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of Optimum Nutrition Whey Protein or on Whey Protein. Not only unboxing, I will show you how to check whether the whey protein which you received is genuine or not from Optimum Nutrition. Here is a package which I bought from Flipkart. Let's open it. I bought it from Supercom retailer. Here is a whey protein from Optimum Nutrition. The packaging is really good. This is how the on Gold Standard whey protein box looks like. Before opening the seal, let's check whether the product which we have received is genuine or not. The first thing which you need to check is that you will have on top of the cap, you will have the on logo, and as well as you will have the neckband seal. Here is a neckband seal. On the neckband you can see the on hologram. It is in golden color. And coming to bottom, you will have the manufacture date and expiry date and batch number. The difference between the manufacture date and expiry date is 2 years, so you need to check on that. Here if you can see that the manufacture date is 6/2019 and the expiry date is 6/2021. And below you can see the batch number. And I forgot to tell you one more thing. This manufacture date and expiry date and batch number is printed in blue ink. And coming to the importer, here you can see the importer seal. It is from Glanbia. In India, you will get on whey protein either from Glanbia or from Bright Commodities. I have received it from Glanbia. Here you can see the on authentication label. You need to scratch the on authentication label. You will get the 6-digit code. We need to send an SMS to check whether it is correct or not. Once you scratch it, you will get the 6-digit code. Here you can see my 6-digit code. To verify the authentication, we need to type on space 6-digit code to 57575. On the package, you will see gluten-free, banned substance tested, and also on the sticker you will see that it will be clearly mentioned for export only. So without wasting any time, let's open the seal. Here you can see the on golden hologram. It is part of the seal. It is not a sticker. On the cap you can see that on Optimum Nutrition, or on some boxes you will get True Nutrition. Let's open it. Inside the cap you will find this round cardboard which is not glued. You can easily remove it. Here you can see that. And coming to the inside contents, here you can see the protein powder. The protein powder is not attached to the walls, if you can see properly. I will zoom in a little bit. Here you can see that the protein powder is not attached to the walls. It means it is pure. And also you will get the scoop inside. So I am keeping my hand to check the scoop. Here is the scoop. Here you can see that on the golden scoop you have the on branding, and inside if you can see properly, made in USA is printed. So these are all the things which you need to do once you get the on Gold Standard whey protein. Now let's test the solubility of whey protein. Here I am taking a spoon and I have taken a glass, and let's check. I will pour some water, and protein should mix easily. It should not form lumps. Here you can see that the protein has dissolved easily and there are no lumps. So if you use any shaker bottle, it will mix even more. So that's it guys. Hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.